Now we need to add a multiple of 100,000, so a number that ends in 5 zeros. First, we have 49,500 plus 300,000. So in this first number, we don't have a digit for our 100,000s. So all we need to do is write 3 in the 100,000s place and then leave all of our other digits the same. So our answer is 349,500. Now we have 230,000 plus 700,000. We can highlight our 100,000s digits, and we have 2 plus 7, so we're going to have 9 in our 100,000s, and all of our other digits will stay the same, so that's 930,000. Now we have 284,500 plus 200,000. If we highlight our 100,000s digits, 2 plus 2 is 4, and all of our other digits will stay the same, so we have 484,500. We can show what we did using place value counters. So for this first question, we started with 49,500. So that's 4 10,000s, 9,000s and 500s. We were adding 300,000. So if we add 300,000 counters, that gives us our answer, 349,500. Then we had 230,000. So that's 2 100,000s and 3 10,000s. And we were adding 700,000. So if we add 700,000 counters, you can see that we now have 900,000s and 3 10,000s, so that's 930,000. Then we had 284,500, so that's 200,000s, 8 10,000s, 4,000s and 500s. We were adding 200,000, so if we add 200,000 counters, you can see that we now have 484,500.